The unfair advantage 20-somethings are using to build wealth in 2026. Most people think to make this, you have to do this. But it's 2026. The rules of the world just got deleted and rewritten. Today, I'm going to show you how 20-year-olds are making more money than doctors without ever leaving their bedrooms. It's a hidden path that school will never tell you about. Think of your life like these jugs. Every day, you get 24. If you work at a burger joint, you give 8 jugs to your boss and he gives you $100. But what happens if you want $1,000? You don't have enough jugs. You run out of time. This is why most people stay poor. They are trying to sell something they only have a little bit of. But what if you could clone yourself? What if you had 1,000 tiny digital ghosts that never sleep, never eat, and work for free? In 2026, we call this AI workflow automation. It sounds fancy, but it's actually just like playing with digital Legos. You're building a machine that does the work for you so you can keep your time jugs for yourself. Let's look at a real business. Meet Mr. Jones. He owns a plumbing company. Every day, 50 people call him. He has to write down their names, check his calendar, send them a bill, and remind them to pay. It takes him 5 hours a day. He's exhausted. Now, here is the unfair advantage. You walk up to Mr. Jones and say, "I will give you a magic robot that does all of that for you instantly. It costs $2,000. Mr. Jones says yes because he wants his 5 hours back. But here is the secret. It only took you 30 minutes to build that robot using AI, and it costs you $10 a month to keep it running. You just made $1,990 for 30 minutes of work. That is arbitrage, buying something cheap and selling it for a lot more because you made it better."
Why 2026 is different. Why couldn't we do this in 2020? Because the Legos weren't ready yet. Back then, you had to be a super genius coder. In 2026, the AI is so smart you can just talk to it. You tell the computer, "Hey, build me a system that talks to my customers," and it builds it. The unfair advantage is that young people understand how to talk to the robots better than the adults do.
The step-by-step blueprint. Step 1. Finding the boring problems. Don't try to build the next Facebook. That's too hard. Instead, look for boring problems. Go to a local car wash, a dentist, or a flower shop. Ask them, what is the one thing you hate doing every day on your computer? That is your gold mine. Step 2. The assembly line. You're going to use no-code tools. It's literally dragging and dropping. 1. The ear, a tool that hears when a customer emails. 2. The brain, AI that reads the email and decides what to do. 3. The hands, a tool that sends the reply or fixes the schedule. You aren't a worker anymore. You are a grand architect of a robot army. Step 3. The subscription trap, the good kind. Instead of charging Mr. Jones once, you charge him a rent for your robot, $300 every month. If you find 10 Mr. Joneses, that's $3,000 a month coming in while you are at the beach, playing video games or sleeping. Your digital ghosts are doing the heavy lifting. The hidden path isn't a secret because people are hiding it. It's a secret because most people are too busy looking at the old map. They are looking for jobs. You should be looking for systems. If you want to see me actually go to a real business and set this up in person to see if it works, hit that like button. If we get 500,000 likes, I'll give away my entire AI workflow kit for free to one of you. The future is moving fast. Don't get left behind. I'm out.
Subscribe now.